Hello everyone, welcome to English with Molly. 大家好，欢迎来到茉莉英文。How are you today? 你们今天好吗？ I'm very happy today. 今天我很开心。You are with me. 你们跟我在一起。For our lesson. 一起上课。Please get ready for the class. 请准备好上课的用具。Please take out your writing book. 写字本拿出来。And your pencil. 你的铅笔。Your eraser. 你的橡皮擦。Today we also need some colored pencils. 今天我们还需要一些色铅笔。What color do we need? 我们需要什么颜色呢？ Let's take a look. 我们来看一看。We need a yellow pencil, a red pencil, a green pencil, a blue pencil, and also an orange pencil. If you don't have your colored pencils with you, you can also use some pastel crayons. Now you can pause the video. 你可以暂停 and get your things ready. 然后去把这些东西准备好。Okay, boys and girls, are you ready? 准备好了吗？ Let's get started. 我们开始吧。Now, please move your pencils to one side. 请把你的铅笔移到旁边。Open your writing book. 打开你的写字本。Turn to this page. 打开这一页。Let's review the words we have learned so far. 我们来复习一下我们所学过的字。Finger, 手指头。Point, 指。Spell the word, 拼出来。D, A, D. Say the word, 说出来。The, add, dad. One more time, 再一次。Finger, point. Spell the word, 拼出来。D, A, D. Say the word, 说出来。The, add, dad. Excellent, boys and girls. He is dad. Papa Pig is a dad. Next, 下一个字。Finger, point. Spell the word, 拼出来。M, A, D. Say the word, 说出来。Add, mad. One more time. Finger, point. Spell the word M, A, D. Say the word add, mad. Good job, boys and girls. Remember the sentence? 还记得句子吗？ Now I'm gonna build a bridge between dad and mad. On the bridge is the word is. 爸爸生气了，该怎么说？ Dad is mad. Dad is mad. Excellent, 好棒啊！ Okay, boys and girls, let's turn over to the next page. Turn, 翻页。One more time. Turn, 翻页。 Boys and girls, let's move on to learn one new word. 我们要来学新的字哦。Now, listen. 注意听。k k k. What letter sounds k? 哪个字母发 k 的声音呢？那便是 C. C, 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 k, k, k. The second sound, 第二个音 a. This one is easy. 这一个很简单，那便是 A. K, cat. Cat. The third sound, 第三个音 t. What letter sounds t? 哪一个字母发 t 的声音呢？那便是 T. Okay, let's spell the word. 我们拼一次 C-A-T. Let's say the word. 我们说出来 cat. Good job, boys and girls. Let's copy the word one more time. C-A-T. Cat. Let's write the word for the third time. 第三次 cat. For the last time, 最后一次 cat.做得很好 boys and girls. Let's spell the word in lowercase letters. 现在我们来写它的小写。Please skip this line. 请跳过这一行。Go directly to the third line. 请直接到第三行。Here. Let's spell the word in lowercase letters. 小写 C-A-T. Cat. One more time. C-A-T. Cat. One more time. C-A-T. Cat. For the last time, 最后一次 C-A-T. Cat. Excellent, boys and girls. Do you know what a cat is? 你知道 cat 是什么吗？你应该知道哦。我们学过咯。Let's draw a cat. 我们来画 a cat. 小朋友，你可以画自己的 cat， 不一定要跟 Molly 画的一样哦。 发挥你的创造力和想象力。你心中的 cat 会长什么样子呢？1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cats. 请画5只 cats. Okay, boys and girls, I already drew my 5 cats. 我已经画了5只猫。Now, please number these cats. 请你帮这些猫编号 from number 1 to number 5. 从1编到5，随便你怎么编号哦。不一定要和猫里的顺序一样哦。Okay, I'm done here. 我已经编好。Boys and girls, today we are gonna add some color to these cats. 今天我们要来上颜色 as a way to review your English words for color. 这个样子我们就可以复习颜色。Please listen. Number 1. 第一只猫 The cat is red. The cat is red. Take your red pencil and start to paint the cat red. Red. Number 2. The cat is green. The cat is green. Take the green pencil and color the cat green. The cat is green. The cat is green. Number 3. The cat is yellow. The cat is yellow. Use your yellow pencil and color the cat. The cat is yellow. Number 4. The cat is blue. The cat is blue. Take the blue pencil and color the cat. The cat is blue. The cat is blue. And number 5. Today we are learning a new color. 今天要学习一个新的颜色。What color is it? It's orange. Orange. Number 5. The cat is orange. The cat is orange. The cat is orange. Marvelous, boys and girls. Your cats look so happy with color. 你的猫咪上了颜色，看起来好开心啊。Let's say the word one more time. Cat, 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 cat. Let's spell the word one more time. C-A-T, C-A-T. Good job, boys and girls. Make sure you write the cat in capital letters 4 times, in lowercase letters 4 times, and also you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cats. 你画了5只猫，样子不一样没关系哦，自己创造自己的猫。You also color these cats. 你也为这些猫咪上了颜色。Make sure, number 1, the cat is red. Number 2, the cat is green. Number 3, the cat is yellow. Number 4, the cat is blue. Number 5, the cat is orange. Excellent! 太棒了 And that's it for today's lesson. 今天的课程就到这里咯。Do you enjoy this lesson? 你喜欢这个课程吗？ If you do, please give it a like. 如果喜欢，请给一个赞哦。And I'll see you soon. Goodbye.